if you're like me, you'll love the option to create carousel posts on Facebook ads. It's ideal if you have an e-commerce store or a collection of links you wish to promote in one post altogether. Unfortunately though, Facebook doesn't offer a way to natively create these carousel posts organically, but there is a way that you can actually do this. In this video, I'm going to share with you my method of creating carousel-style organic posts on Facebook business pages. So what you want to do is go to a website called Publer. So Publer is a social media posting tool where you can schedule posts to publish on a variety of social media accounts from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and the like. And it's through this that we can actually post organic carousel posts on Facebook. So I'm going to show you an example now. So I'm just going to go to one of my pages that I've got pre-set up. I'm going to select my Facebook account that I want it to post to, which is a business page. And I'm just going to type in a little social post. And now I'm going to post my series of links to the different products. So once you've posted your first link, you'll then want to press attach another link, and this will create the carousel effect. So if I press attach another link and then paste in a different one, and then I can keep on posting a few more. So now I have my carousel post, but perhaps I don't actually like the title that is being given automatically by Publer, which is obviously drawing in the default title from your page and then the description from copy it's taken off the page. So all you have to do is just click on your particular product title, so here, and I can actually change this to say exactly what I want. And if I wanted to change it of any of the other links I posted previously, I just need to click onto that particular link row and it'll allow me to edit the title and the description. Once I'm happy with that, I can click preview and it'll show me exactly what it'll look like. So as you can see, I've got my carousel ad here, and each one of these boxes will direct me to the specific link that I entered. Now, as you know, this is something that you normally only see on Facebook ads. It's not something you can normally post organically, but through Publer you can post this organically and take advantage of that better conversion rate that I feel that something visual like this has. Of course, the first one we've got here is still in the description, so I'll get rid of that. We'll check the preview again. There we go. It's showcasing all 4 products. All that's left to do is to post it, or if I want I could schedule it for a different time. So if I now go to Facebook for check it out, and here is my carousel post. So that's how you can post carousel posts on Facebook organically without having to run an ad. You can find a link to Publer in the video description below, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the YouTube comments and I'll do my very best to answer them.